So site selection is very key. Doesn't happen that much. People typically go to a realtor and buy a lot, and then they come over here and go, hey, I want to build a solar house. And you go, well, that's great, man, but this site's never seen the sun. You're on the north side of a hill here. I would retain a design professional along with your real estate professional and look for properties. If you're going to build new construction ground up, look for properties that for your personal interest appeal to you, but prior to purchasing any of them, allow us to do a review with you and tell you the financial pros and cons of what you're getting yourself into. Let us help you pick the right site. And by doing that, you will end up spending a lot less money and come up with a much better product in the end. So somehow that's what we'd like to do. We'd like to encourage people to get in contact with us prior to making a site acquisition. People that have an idea of what they're trying to do should be explained that, and they don't know it because they don't know what architects do. You know, they don't, and because we've done that, we can now give you a better design because we know what it takes to build it. So we're going to design stuff that's more easily built and more cost effective.